Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and a quick backup, because automatic repair can change system files. Once done, make sure your device is plugged in and not interrupted. Next, force advanced startup by holding Shift while choosing Restart or Boot from Windows 10 Recovery Media. This opens Repair Tools. You start automatic repair from Troubleshoot Advanced Options Startup Repair. This step analyzes boot failures and attempts fixes automatically, so let it run fully before proceeding to manual steps. Once automatic repair completes or fails, you continue with diagnostics and specific repairs. If startup repair returns errors, open Command Prompt from Advanced Options and run bootrec commands to fix master boot records and rebuild the BCD. This corrects common boot issues. Then run sfc/scano to repair protected system files, and follow with dism restore health if SFC finds problems it cannot fix. These tools target corrupt files and boot records, so run them and you finish by rebooting normally to confirm Windows 10 starts correctly. Remove any USB recovery media so the system boots from the hard drive. If boot problems persist, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point, or choose Reset this PC and keep your files to reinstall Windows while preserving data. If neither works, boot into safe mode and uninstall recent drivers or updates that might be causing the failure. This often resolves conflicts that automatic repair cannot fix automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.